Hello tool lovers, welcome back to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today we're revealing 20 genius new tools. Every pro DIYer needs in 2026. From smart woodworking gadgets to powerful workshop upgrades, these tools are designed to save time, boost precision, and make every project easier. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these innovative tools will completely transform your DIY game. Let's get started.
BESSEY Ceiling Tripod Attachment STE-DS. The BESSEY Ceiling Tripod Attachment S TE-DS is a practical accessory for BESSEY ST and STE telescopic drywall supports, designed to improve safety and stability during overhead work. Its three-winged contact surface spreads pressure evenly, making it ideal for supporting wide panels like drywall. The all-round steel pipe fixing prevents tipping, while the tool-free installation saves time. Made from reinforced PA6, plastic and galvanized steel, it's lightweight, durable, and reliable for professional and DIY projects. Ramset T3SS Gas Tool. The Ramset T3SS Gas Tool is a cordless, single-shot fastening system built for fast, precise anchoring into concrete and steel. Using gas technology with a rechargeable battery, it delivers consistent power without load adjustments. The tool is quieter and safer than powder-actuated alternatives, reduces recoil, and eliminates concrete dust. With interchangeable nose pieces, pre-assembled fasteners, and pole tool compatibility, it's ideal for electrical, mechanical, and overhead fastening tasks. Lisle 37980 Electrical Disconnect Pliers 60 degrees. The Lisle 37980 Electrical Disconnect Pliers are designed to safely and easily remove stubborn automotive electrical connectors. Featuring a 60-degree angled jaw, they provide excellent access in tight engine compartments where straight pliers can't reach. The specialized hook and point design releases locking tabs without damage, while the spring-loaded mechanism allows smooth one-handed operation. Comfortable dual material grips reduce hand fatigue, and the durable alloy steel construction ensures long-lasting reliability for professional and DIY automotive work. IQ Tools by Schwaiger Press Cleaner Putzboy. The IQ Tools by Schwaiger Press Cleaner Putzboy is a practical manual cleaning solution for hydraulic veneer press heating plates. It uses heat-resistant cleaning plates covered in durable synthetic fiber fabric to remove stubborn glue residue effectively. Built with a solid metal body and double guiding system, it ensures stable handling and controlled movement. Designed for use on warm presses with a long handle, it helps maintain press performance and extend equipment life. Wagner HT 1000 Heat Gun Kit. The Wagner HT 1000 Heat Gun Kit is a versatile, corded electric tool ideal for DIY and household projects. Featuring dual temperature settings, 750 degrees Fahrenheit and 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 fan speeds, it provides precise heat control. Its durable design includes a corrosion-resistant nozzle, lightweight handle, integrated stand for hands-free use, and hanging hook for convenient storage. The kit comes with 3 nozzles, concentrator, flare, and edge protector, making it perfect for paint removal, shrink wrapping, bending plastics, loosening bolts, and thawing frozen pipes. Leister VARIANT Seria 700. The Leister VARIANT 700 is a high-speed modular automatic plastic welding machine built for demanding industrial applications such as truck tarpaulins, tents, and banners. It offers welding speeds up to 20 meters per minute and features smart automation, including auto start, stop, and a lift function. The modular design allows easy conversion between overlap, tape, hem, or dual nozzle welding. With precise digital controls, adjustable temperature 100 to 620 degrees Celsius, and air volume, a durable brushless motor, and energy-efficient eco mode, it ensures flexibility, safety, and reliability for high-volume production. Riexinger BSM 450 electric bandsaw. The Riexinger BSM 450 electric bandsaw is a powerful stationary machine designed for precise cutting of plastic and composite pipes, ranging from 50 mm to 450 mm in diameter. It supports materials like PE, PP, PB, PVDF, PVC, and GRP/CFK, offering straight and angle cuts up to 45 degrees. Built with a rigid steel frame, it ensures precision and durability, featuring ball-bearing blade guidance, spring-supported tensioning, motor overload protection, and an electronic brake. Optional accessories include laser guides, radial cutting devices, and pneumatic clamps. MINOVA KD03 W Cordless Insulating Saw. The MINOVA KD03 W Cordless Insulating Saw is a professional 18-volt tool designed for fast, precise cutting of insulation materials. Its brushless motor ensures long life, low noise, and consistent power, while the dual reciprocating blades minimize vibration for smoother cuts. Cordless portability allows work on rooftops or scaffolding, and the saw handles mineral wool, foam, cork, PIR/PUR, and sandwich panels. Adjustable guides support angled cuts, and the kit includes batteries, charger, multiple blades, and cutting guides for versatile use. Vinon Tools Sealant Wiper Kit. The Vinon Tools Sealant Wiper Kit is a versatile set designed for flawless silicone and cork application without using soapy water or other release agents. It features multiple interchangeable pads for different joint widths and corner angles, ensuring professional, smooth finishes. The kit also includes a tool for removing old or leaky sealant, making it an all-in-one solution. Ergonomically designed handles and durable materials provide comfort and longevity. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, windows, doors, and sinks, it simplifies sealant work with precision and ease. BrassCraft 2-in-1 Ratcheting Tube Cutter. The BrassCraft 2-in-1 Ratcheting Tube Cutter is a versatile plumbing tool designed for both tight spaces and general cutting tasks. Its dual design allows use with a ratcheting handle for extra leverage or as a compact standalone cutter in confined areas. The 360-degree ratcheting system ensures smooth, clean cuts on aluminum, brass, CPVC, copper, and PEX pipes from 1/4 inch to 1 1/8 inch. Built with a durable aluminum body and replaceable steel blade, it's user-friendly, adjustable, and perfect for professional or DIY plumbing projects. Raimondi LEVMATIC Battery. The Raimondi LEVMATIC features a removable 20-volt, 2 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, providing cordless convenience for tile leveling tasks. delivering consistent power to the brushless motor. It efficiently tightens wedges while balancing runtime and portability. Lightweight at just 1.6 kilograms, 3.5 pounds. With the battery attached, it reduces user fatigue. Rechargeable and long-lasting, the battery is easily swapped or charged using the included 4 amp-hour fast charger, ensuring minimal downtime on job sites and reliable performance for professional and DIY tilers alike. Jetting TriggAIR Fiber Blowing Machine. The Jetting TriggAIR Fiber Blowing Machine is a handheld, battery-powered device designed for fast and precise FTTX fiber installations. It installs fibers from 0.8 to 3 mm into microducts up to 8 mm at speeds up to 150 meters per minute, using compressed air at 16 bar. Lightweight and ergonomic, it features a mechanical clutch to protect fibers, a digital LCD display, and tool-free operation. Powered by a 12-volt lithium battery, it offers forward/reverse control, easy portability, and comes with a full kit including batteries, charger, seals, and duct cutter. Klauke EK SD 50 ml. Electromechanical stripping tool 6 to 35 mm squared. The Klauke EK SD 50 ml electromechanical stripping tool is a versatile cordless device designed for effortless cable stripping and cutting from 6 to 35 mm squared. Featuring the intuitive power sense function, it reduces physical effort by up to 80%, while interchangeable inserts handle various conductor types. Adjustable stripping lengths, dual stripping and cutting functionality, and a single button operation make it highly efficient. Additional features include an LED work light, Li-ion battery, Bluetooth data reporting via Klauke link, and ergonomic safety design for precise, strain-free use. Tormek Blackstone Silicon SB250. The Tormek Blackstone Silicon SB250 is a premium silicon carbide grinding wheel designed for sharpening high-speed steel HSS and other hard alloys. Compatible with Tormek T8, T7 and earlier 250mm systems, it efficiently shapes tools like planer blades and wood-turning chisels. Adjustable from 220 to 1000 grit, it combines fast material removal with exceptional wear resistance. Its dense, sharp grains maintain shape over time, making it ideal for wood turners and professionals working with very hard steels and exotic alloys. Barnes Drader Injectiweld 245. The Barnes Drader Injectiweld 245 is a compact portable plastic welding tool designed for on-site repairs. Using proprietary injection technology with radiant heat, it melts and injects plastic rods to create strong, co-fused welds without oxidation. Lightweight and manually operated, it requires no compressed air or gas. Adjustable temperatures 250 to 300 degrees Celsius, interchangeable tips, and a built-in LED make it versatile for welding various thermoplastics. Ideal for vehicle, industrial, and general fabrication repairs, it delivers precise, durable, and reliable welds anywhere. Brute Force FB1-16 Firewood Bundler. The Brute Force FB1-16 Firewood Bundler is a commercial-grade electric firewood bundler designed for high-volume production. It produces consistent 1 cubic foot bundles with wood up to 16 inches long. Featuring a 110-volt low RPM motor, foot pedal operation, and adjustable tray for various lengths, it ensures safe, hands-free use. Built with heavy-duty construction and a powder-coated finish, it resists rust and lasts longer. Equipped with 4 wheels and compatible with standard 12-inch stretch wrap, it's efficient, portable, and reliable for daily firewood operations. Ramset T4 IF Compact Insulation Tool. The Ramset T4 IF Compact Insulation Tool is a lightweight cordless, gas-powered fastening system designed for quick and efficient insulation installation on concrete, steel, and hollow block surfaces. Delivering 95 joules of power with minimal recoil, it outperforms traditional stick pin methods. Its ergonomic design, combined with battery and fuel gauges, reduces operator fatigue while maximizing productivity. Using specialized thermal brake fasteners, it achieves up to 99.5% thermal efficiency, preventing rust and condensation. Ideal for overhead, wall, and floor insulation applications. VEVOR Pipe Blockage Detector Locators. The VEVOR Pipe Blockage Detector and Locator is a high-precision system that uses electromagnetic induction to locate blockages in pipes without digging. It features a transmitter probe and a handheld receiver with adjustable sensitivity, offering detection up to 40 centimeters in non-metallic pipes and 15 centimeters in metallic ones. With an IP67 waterproof probe, long 30-meter signal line, rechargeable batteries, audio feedback, and a user-friendly design. This kit ensures efficient, reliable, and convenient blockage detection. Accessories include headphones, spare probes, and charging cables. VEVOR High Lift Farm Jack. The VEVOR High Lift Farm Jack is a heavy-duty, multifunctional manual jack crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant steel, designed for tough lifting tasks. It supports up to 7,000 pounds and offers a wide lifting range, making it ideal for vehicles, farm machinery, and off-road recovery. Its durable construction withstands over 50,000 cycles, while the long handle with a non-slip grip ensures easy operation. Beyond lifting, it can pull, clamp, and winch, offering versatile, reliable performance in demanding environments. Eastwood MIG Welders Pliers. The Eastwood MIG Welders Pliers are an 8-inch multifunctional tool designed to simplify MIG welding. Crafted from durable No. 45 carbon steel with spring-loaded, rubberized handles, these pliers combine 6 essential functions. They cut welding wire to precise lengths, remove nozzle spatter, install or remove nozzles and contact tips, pull stuck wire, and even serve as a light-duty hammer. Comfortable grips ensure ease of use with gloves, making them an essential, reliable tool for efficient welding maintenance and operations.